Welcome to raigokul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about Confluence Analytics. Whenever we are working on any projects, that will always require some analytics to be performed to see performance as well as how this page or blog or any project is in progressing, how visitors are visiting within our knowledge repository as well as our Wikipedias. So we'll see here how we can analyze in detail. If you are visiting this channel first time, I will request you to subscribe our channel and press bell icon so that whenever I will upload new video, you will get notified. And if you want to learn Jira and Confluence or other related Atlassian product, feel free to follow the playlist of Jira and Confluence. I've already created one of the course on Graphy. So whenever and this course link is raigurukul.graphy.com. Here I've covered Jira for Scrum Master and Project Managers. But this is not limited for Scrum Master and Project Manager. So if you want to learn more about Jira in depth, feel free to opt this course. And this course is available in minimal cost. So you can see complete detail in this link. I will share the URL in description tab so that you refer very quickly. Now, let's return back to our main topic, that is Confluence Analytics. Confluence Analytics normally used from left panel. Either you can access it from here or you can simply click on here. Both will navigate you to the same page where you can see detailed analytics about the page or about the project. If you want to see the detailed analytics about the page, you have to refer three dots which is available at right side. And if you want to see the complete space analytics, that you can get it from left panel. Now here you can see use which all views we have received within that page. Durations, you can add the filter based on your requirements. Even you can group by day, week, and month. You can also specify the total or unit count or add the filter. Based on that, you'll get the complete detail. Mentions, which all mentions we have within that page. If you have any mentions within that page, that is also highlighted. And attachments, if you want to see the attachments that will comes here or that details, you can get it from here. This is how you can see analytics of any page present within Confluence. Now, if you wanted to see the complete analytics about your Confluence space, in that case, you have to navigate it to your Confluence instance, and from there, you will get the space or select the space, and from there, you can click on analytics. So this will generate analytics for your complete space. Now, let me explain you how you can read it through. This is an overview of your Confluence Analytics. Here you can see these all details. So let me explain you the created. So this is the created details. So that is highlighted in orange color. Green one is views and blue one is updated. So you can see date-wise detail is available here. Again, you can also apply the filter based on the date. But if you want to just group by week, day, and month, that is also possible. If you want to display just total views or unique views, you can also see it from here. So whenever you apply, you will get unique views detailed within that week. Now, if you want to see just for the page or blocks, you can also apply the filter. This is very quick and easy to use complete analytics, which will help you to understand how the page performance, a blog performance is going on. So this is about the complete overview. Now, if you want to see the popular contents, you can just click on view all, or you will get just 4 popular contents that is populated here. Even most active readers, most active contributors, all those informations are available here. But if you want to expand, just simply click on view all and you will get the complete detail about this page. And this will also navigate into the page sections where you can see all those details. So here I will again jump into the page sections, and if you want to export this information, you can also export into the Excel file. Now I will show you how this will looks like, and this will have a complete table where you can see title, parents, label, created, last modified, last viewed, and other details also listed here. This is a very quick overview about the page which we have present within our Confluence instance. Now, here if you want to see any individual page detail, that is also possible, where you can see individual page details available in this screen. Now, if you want to see the user related informations, which all users are active or which all active contributors we have in Confluence, that is also possible to see from here. So, and even you can see the stats from the sections like created, updated, comments, and views. And same thing, you can also export into the Excel format. So this is how we can see Confluence Analytics or Confluence Page Analytics as well as page and blog analytics individually, which will help you analyze your complete data without using any external tool. So this feasibility Atlassian is providing us to use and make ourselves better or improve ourselves in the project or document repository. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, this will be useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. And if you think so, if you have any suggestions or feedback, feel free to add in the comment sections. And I will also request to add your topic name which you want to learn. In further part of the video, I will definitely come up with the new video based on that topic. That's all. Thank you.